Class, our today's new topic is convection. As you all know, in first topic, our first topic is conduction, where your heat is transferred from molecule to molecule. But in convection class, this process is mainly happened with liquid and gases. And how it happen? Suppose these are the molecules. So in convection, suppose I give heat to these molecules. At that time, the molecule which are very close to the heat source, they get heated. Suppose this molecule is getting heated, so when it gets heated, at that time the density of the molecule is less, or maybe we can say it is much lighter than the other molecules, so it goes upwards. Like this molecule also goes upward, this molecule goes upward. So suppose the numbers are 1, 2 and 3. So molecule 1, molecule 2 and molecule 3 goes upward, and this molecule number 4, 5 and 6, which are heavy as compared to 1, 2 and 3, now they can come downside. So the actual positions now 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 are going down because they are the heavy one. So when one gets heated, the 4 take the place of this 1. When 2 gets heated, then at that time 5 take the place of 2, and when 3 gets heated, 6 is the molecule which takes place the 3. So you can see, class, now they 1, 2, 3 are heated in this time and they are cool compared to these molecules. So when source is here, then they also get heated after some time, and now all the molecules are heated. The same kind of process is happened with gases also, class. And now, class, if I am talking about gases, so before I explain you this, you have to remember this: hot molecules are always light, class. They are light molecules, or we can say they have less density. But cold molecules always heavy as compared to hot molecule because their density is more. So suppose this is the heater and heat comes out from this heater, so the molecule which are very close to heater, they are getting heated very easily, and when they are getting heated, they are light now because the density of the molecules are less, so they goes upwards. When these molecules are goes upwards, so the other molecule which are cold, they can come here because they are heavy, so they come down and these light molecules goes up. And when they come down, again the same kind of process is there. Again they are getting heated, they goes up, then the other molecule come down, and slowly, class, the whole molecules of this gas can be heated. Class, you can see convection in water. When you give heat to water, the molecules which are very close to this heat, they goes upwards, and the heavy molecules or the cold molecules can come down, and when they come down, they also get heated and then they goes upwards, and slowly by this process, all the molecule of this water can be heated very easily. Now some application of convection in our daily life. Ventilators and windows are provided in rooms for the proper ventilation. Class, you all know the ventilators are provided in rooms because when we breathe, at that time that air is very hot, and you all know hot air or hot molecules have a less density, so they can go upwards very easily, so it rises up and moves out through the ventilators. Then the cold and fresh air comes in the room through the windows to take its place. Thus the continuous circulation of fresh air keeps the air in the room fresh. Second is, chimneys are provided over the furnace in the factories. Class, you all aware about the chimneys in the factories. This is because the hot gases coming out for the furnace are less dense than the air, because these all hot gases are much less denser than air, so they rise up through the chimneys. आपका जो भी काला धुआं, गर्म गैसेज होती हैं, वो हल्की होने के कारण चिमनी से बाहर निकल जाती हैं. Third is, land and sea bridges are formed at place near the sea. So class, it's very important, land breeze and sea breeze. फर्स्ट हम सी ब्रीज की बात करेंगे क्लास, बट उससे पहले यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि पानी की एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है कि वो देर में गर्म होता है और देर में ही ठंडा होता है. तो फर्स्ट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सी ब्रीज. ड्यूरिंग द डे द लैंड बिकम्स मोर वार्म देन सी. दिस इज लैंड, दिस इज सी. और मैंने कहा क्लास कि पानी हमेशा देर में गर्म होता है एज कम्पेयर टू लैंड. सो इसका मतलब लैंड ज़्यादा गर्म होगी एज कम्पेयर टू सी. सो दैट्स वाई दे राइट हियर वार्म, दे राइट हियर कोल्ड. अब जब क्लास ये ज़्यादा गर्म होगी एज कम्पेयर टू सी, सो यहाँ से हॉट एयर निकलेगी क्लास, बिकॉज यू ऑल नो द कन्वेक्शन. बिकॉज ऑफ कन्वेक्शन यहाँ से गर्म हवा ऊपर जाएगी, और जब ये गर्म हवा ऊपर जाएगी क्लास, तो इस वैकेंट प्लेस को, जो ये मॉलिक्यूल्स ऊपर गए हैं, इनको भरने के लिए यहाँ से ये जो कोल्ड एयर इसके आसपास की है, ये यहाँ पर आती है इस वैकेंट प्लेस को भरने के लिए. इसलिए क्लास इन डे टाइम हमारी जो हवा होती है वो सी टू लैंड चलती है. इस टाइप से आपकी ब्रिजेस चलती हैं क्लास. ये हॉट एयर ऊपर गई और यहाँ से कोल्ड एयर इधर चली, तो सी से लैंड की तरफ आपकी ब्रीज चलती हैं, इसलिए इसको सी ब्रीज कहते हैं क्लास. बट इफ़ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लैंड ब्रीज एट नाइट, मैंने आपको बताया क्लास कि पानी देर में ठंडा होता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू लैंड. तो रात को लैंड जल्दी ठंडी हो जाती है और पानी गर्म रहता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू लैंड. सो इन दिस टाइम क्लास ये वार्मर है और ये कोल्ड है, और यहाँ पर जो एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स होंगे वो ऊपर जाएंगे, क्योंकि एज़ कम्पेयर टू दिस दीज मॉलिक्यूल्स आर मच मच वार्मर. सो ये मॉलिक्यूल्स ऊपर जाएंगे और यहाँ पर जो ठंडी हवा है क्लास वो इसको, इस वैकेंट प्लेस को भरने के लिए यहाँ से इधर की तरफ चलेगी. सो इस समय आपकी जो हवा चल रही है वो क्लास लैंड टू सी चल रही है, तो इसको हम कहते हैं लैंड ब्रीज. एंड नंबर फोर्थ इज ओशियन करंट्स. सो क्लास, how the ocean currents flow. In ocean current, it's very important to understand this is your equator and these two are your north pole and south pole. So these two are the poles and this is equator. So class, you all know our equator is much hotter than the poles. If this is sun, then sunlight can directly fall into this equator. So the water is in the equator are much hotter than the water in the poles. So class, the hot water is going from equator to poles, and this hot water when going equator to poles in the surface area, class, this is not possible that all the water going from equator to poles, then there is a vacant place. So how this vacant place is filled? This is filled by the water which comes from poles to equator. So class, if this is the surface, in surface class the hot water goes from equator to poles. The cold water comes from poles to equator, and by this class the temperature of the ocean remain same. So this is the process which happened in the equator and poles in the oceans. How the fridge is working and how it is cool all the time. For that class, you have to understand, suppose this is your fridge, so you all aware about in top of the fridge you have a freezing box here, and if this is your freezing box or freezing chest, then the air which is very close to this freezing chest, it is much cooler than other molecule of the air. So if it is cool as compared to other molecule, so these molecules are heavier, these air molecules are heavier than the other molecules. So these air particles come down, and the light particles which are hot as compared to these part, they goes upwards. After some time they are also cold, so when they are much cooler than the other part or other molecule, then they also come down and other molecule goes upwards. So this kind of process is continuously happening in fridge. So whenever you open your fridge, you can see all the objects and things are looking fresh because of this cold air. So class, for heat insulation of room in a house, weather stripping and curtains are used. So the curtains pull down over the window from the layer of still air in between the window and curtains to act as insulator. I told you earlier, still air is an insulator, so that's why we are using the curtains, because the air between curtain and window is still air, which is used as insulator. And with the help of weather stripping class, we can close a small opening of the windows. So by this method we can insulated our room. Next is the room heaters and blowers are kept on near the floor of the room, so the hot air may rise up to warm the entire room. So because of convection, all the molecule of the air get heated in this room. Firemen crawl while entering in the building where the fire has broken out, because the hot air and smoke rises upwards, and the firemen can easily go through this, so they are not feeling hot in surface.